everyone, it's K-pop freak girl again. I just want to show you guys a few stuff. Miracles in December official goods. Firstly, I bought from kstargoods.com, and I got a Luhan file, L holder, and a spoons also. But kstargoods are not fond of giving extras or freebies, but they do have low pricing. And next is DVDheaven. I bought this Miracles in December photo set, and DVDheaven likes to give freebies. Sometimes it depends. Like currently is this season of giving away certain stuff, like that one of a kind cocoa pie, I think. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know. Wait, zoom. Okay, I'm not sure that yet. So I don't think I'm gonna eat because I'm not fond of chocolate stuff, and it's from chocolate stuff. Yeah. And next is I bought from eBay Nature Republic Photocards from grapemusiccd, and I got freebies. This is a channel. There's like a bunch of DO photocards. I wonder if the seller is a DO fan. So I got a Chan card, and I have a lot of Shimin actually. I got 2 Shimin from her. Got 1 Suho, 2 Suhos, and she gave me a bunch of freebies, which is awesome. She actually wrapped it in this Nature Republic plastic, and it's really nice of her. And lastly, I bought from, I think it's EXO. I forgot the name because I bought too much stuff on eBay, so I don't really remember which is which. I got a Tao Photocard and another Shimin Photocard, and I got TV also for service to say. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use any of it either. I do have extras on the Miracles in December photo set that I want to sell. I'll write it in the description below which one is available. And I have an extra Tao Nature Republic Photocard. Wait, so this already. Aha! That's it for me. Thank you, and have a wonderful holiday, and Merry Christmas to those who are celebrating, and also have a Happy New Year to the upcoming 2014. Bye!